Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make some honey butter skillet corn. This is super easy. It's only a few ingredients. You're going to start with 2 tablespoons of butter. And along with the butter, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. So to our honey and our butter, we're going to add a 1-pound package of corn kernels. We're going to add a good pinch of salt, maybe 2 pinches of salt, and a good pinch of pepper. I'm just going to let it get good and hot here for a few minutes. And after it's real hot, we're going to add some cream cheese to it. Okay, now that it's good and hot, I'm going to add the cream cheese to it. I've got 2 ounces, which I've cut into little blocks. I'm just going to wait for that to melt into it. And that's it. It's done. Just a few ingredients: butter, honey, cream cheese, salt, and pepper. That's it. Super good, super easy. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will put the recipe in the description. Take care.